The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey is a comprehensive guide to personal finance that emphasizes the importance of living debt-free and building wealth through smart financial planning and decision-making. The book is based on Ramsey's 7 Baby Steps program, which provides a step-by-step approach to managing finances and achieving financial independence. The 7 baby steps are: start an emergency fund with $1,000, pay off all debt using the debt snowball method, build a fully funded emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses, invest 15% of household income in retirement accounts, start saving for college for children, pay off your home early, build wealth and give generously. Throughout the book, Ramsey offers practical tips and advice on budgeting, saving, reducing expenses, investing, and avoiding debt. He also emphasizes the importance of creating a budget, sticking to it, and avoiding lifestyle inflation. Additionally, Ramsey provides readers with helpful tools, such as sample budgets, debt payoff plans, and investment strategies. In conclusion, the Total Money Makeover is a comprehensive and practical guide to personal finance that provides readers with a clear and simple approach to managing their finances and achieving financial independence. By following the 7 baby steps, readers can develop good financial habits, reduce debt, and build wealth for the future.